Welcome. If you've ever wondered what truly sets winning Kaggle teams apart, you're in the right place. In this segment, we're cutting straight to the heart of our research. The key insights and interpretations derive directly from our in-depth analysis of Kaggle's vast data set. We'll uncover the behavioral patterns, strategic approaches, and team characteristics that differentiate the champions from the rest. Let's dive into the data and reveal the secrets to Kaggle's success. Behavioral insights of winning teams. First, let's look at the collaborative dynamics within successful teams. Chart 1. Contribution distribution of winning teams. This chart illustrates the contribution distribution among members of top-performing teams. What's immediately evident is that winning teams rarely rely on a single superstar. Instead, we observe a balanced contribution model. While there might be one or two primary drivers, the data shows that most members actively contribute, rather than having a few individuals carrying the entire workload. This suggests that effective task delegation and shared responsibility are hallmarks of high-achieving groups. Chart 2. Code sharing frequency versus team rank. Narrator. Moving to knowledge sharing, this figure highlights the frequency of code sharing within teams versus their final rank. Notice the distinct upward trend. Teams that shared code more frequently consistently ranked higher. This isn't merely about open sourcing. It indicates an internal culture of iterative improvement and mutual learning. Frequent sharing allows for quicker feedback loops, bug identification, and the integration of diverse programming approaches, ultimately accelerating progress and refining solutions. Chart 3. Discussion forum engagement of top 1% versus others. Narrator. Our analysis of discussion forum engagement reveals another critical behavioral trait. As shown here, the top 1% of teams exhibited significantly higher and more qualitative engagement in discussion forums. This isn't just about asking questions. It's about active participation in problem-solving discussions, sharing insights, and even helping other competitors, which, counterintuitively, often sharpens their own understanding. This proactive engagement fostered a deeper collective intelligence and allowed them to identify subtle nuances or overlooked aspects of the problem. Chart 4. Average experience level by team tier: bronze, silver, gold, grandmaster. This chart visualizes the average experience level, measured by previous competition wins or medals, across different team tiers. Unsurprisingly, Grandmaster and Gold tier teams consistently comprise members with higher cumulative experience. However, the insight here isn't just about individual skill. It's about how that experience is leveraged. These teams don't just have skilled individuals. They often have a blend of deep domain experts and newer talent, allowing for both innovative ideas and robust execution. Chart 5. Team size distribution by competition tier. Next, we look at team size distribution. This graph reveals an interesting pattern. While larger teams can sometimes win, there's a clear lean towards smaller, more agile teams, typically 2 to 4 members, in the higher tiers, especially Grandmaster. This suggests that beyond a certain point, the benefits of diverse skill sets might be offset by increased coordination overhead. Optimal team size appears to strike a balance between sufficient horsepower and efficient communication. Chart 6. Technology stack diversity versus success rate. Finally, this figure explores the relationship between technology stack diversity within a team and their success rate. We found that winning teams, particularly in complex competitions, often exhibited a moderate level of diversity in their tool sets and programming languages. Too little diversity can lead to blind spots, while excessive diversity might lead to fragmentation. The sweet spot appears to be a complementary mix of skills that allows them to tackle different aspects of a problem efficiently without becoming overwhelmed by incompatible tools. As we conclude our deep dive into the insights, it's clear that the path to a winning Kaggle team is multifaceted. It's a strategic blend of effective collaboration, active knowledge sharing, thoughtful team composition, and adaptable technical acumen. These aren't just abstract ideas. They're patterns revealed by the data, offering tangible lessons for aspiring data scientists and team builders alike. We hope these interpretations shed light on the dynamics of high-performing teams in the competitive world of Kaggle.